Alright, how you can get cashback on AliExpress using a simple app that's called Wow app. You can go to Play Store and download the app called Wow app. As I have downloaded it already, click open. The Wow app will open it. Make sure you make your account to this app called Wow app. Go to cashback section and select AliExpress. There are different other ways to earn cashback. You can see you want to cashback on AliExpress, select shop. The AliExpress app will open up. You can select your items which you want to buy and put it into your cart. When you are done, simply check cash out. Or you can go directly on AliExpress and select your items you want, and then you can go back to Wow app, select AliExpress and check out. Cart, buy and check out. The cashback will be credited into your account within 24 hours. Now, how to withdraw your cashback? There are simple other ways. Go to earnings. Your earnings will show here. Click on cash out. There are different other ways you can cash out into your bank account, into your PayPal account, or directly your mobile credit. Remember, 100 coins is equals to $1. Thank you.